Hey guys, so we are 8 days away from our Writers Bootcamp, and it's going to be fun. It is now 6:28 in the morning. When did that happen? And I have been spending, I was going to say last night, but I guess it's morning now, working on the bootcamp. And one of the things that I have included is your fantasy economy. So have you ever given any thought to it? Now, that may be a slightly abstract question, so let's put this into perspective. So, your hero goes and he slays the dragon, and he gains all that treasure. Well, that's great, but what does he do with it? And surely, the crown, be it the king or the queen or the duke or whoever happens to be occupying the throne, maybe Parliament or even the Senate, is going to take their cut. So, how can our hero legally get around that? How about by marrying the princess? Oh, now this is two birds with one stone, because the princess, well, her family is going to give a dowry to the groom. And so, our young prince, since he's now married the princess, he not only has the dragon's treasure, tax-free, perhaps as a wedding gift, but he also has a dowry. Now the question is, what is he going to do with it? Because money runs out. And yes, he may become king, but who knows when father-in-law, mother-in-law is going to pass on. And maybe, just maybe, our young prince doesn't actually want the burden of leadership. And that's assuming that our princess doesn't have any older brothers or sisters ahead of her. So, our young hero gaining the throne may not actually be feasible. So, what to do? Because money runs out. Well, what if he invested it? Oh, yes. What if he invested the money? So, to find out more, come along to our bootcamp. It's free. It will be December the 18th, 7 p.m. Central Time, and we will talk about this and many, many more topics. So come along. Have fun. And bring a friend, or two friends, or three friends, or as many friends as you have who this would bless. I'm looking forward to seeing you. It's going to be great. Bye for now.